What up, y'all? We're doing another video, but it's gonna be kind of the same thing as the noodle one, which it pretty much is. But we're doing it again because we got challenged by
a special guest.
Our special guest. You've met him before, and his name is Jaden. He's my little nephew, this little fool.
Me.
He wants to get beat. He wants to get smoked by the Chizette show. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna do this again.
This is a different one than
I don't know if it's the same one, but
no, the other one was okay.
That's what we're doing. It's supposed to be spicy, so
The other one
we're gonna be burning.
Which is like, I'm kind of full, so.
So stay tuned and let's see if Jaden can handle. If not, he's gonna owe me 20 bucks.
Oh. I just opened it.
So she's making it. She got one down.
It touched my. It keeps touching my
Two more
mouth.
to go. Ready to lose?
No, I never lose.
You ready to lose?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's spicy.
These fools ain't even a challenge. They ain't even a challenge. They're not a challenge. No challenge.
Bet, watch. I'm
No
gonna win
challenge.
right now.
No challenge.
See, this is the thing.
What do I
This is
get if
the
I
thing.
win?
This is the thing.
Who gets what? Who wins? Whoever wins. What's the prize?
What do you guys want?
Huh, Jay?
A massage.
What the? Alright, so we came to conclusion. The loser, whoever comes in third, because there's obviously 3 of us, is gonna buy all of everyone else freezies. And if he wants one too, obviously he's gonna get one for himself. But yeah, so
That's what's up.
that ain't gonna be me.
That ain't gonna be me.
That ain't.
What?
That gonna be you.
Losing, yeah.
He has no faith in himself.
I'm not getting cocky. That's good.
It's called
good
strategy.
Technique.
Look, he's already preparing himself. He's eating freaking leche over here or whatever. What is that? Leche?
Arroz con leche. That's arroz
Watermelon?
con leche.
Oh, it's way too spicy.
You think?
Yeah, we should have just done half the. Never mind. I think I'm gonna take the dub on this. I mean the L on this.
Same. I think we all get freezy.
Hell no.
I've done this before.
Come on, you do it, Jen. Alright, that's good. Are you quitting, Jade? Are you quitting?
Kind of.
Huh?
Yeah, it's spicy.
Tap out.
I tap out.
He taps out, and he didn't even get halfway through it. You see what I mean, Bapu? How about you? How you do?
My nose is running.
I think I'm in the lead right now.
Woo!
This fool crying though. Why you crying, bro?
It's spicy.
Why you crying? Let me see those tears, boy.
I can't cry no more. Hold on, go slower. There's a fly.
So? Oh, fuck. Oh, hell no. I'm so close, but you're so far. Oh. Hey.
There's no way.
Oh.
Wait.
I'm sweating. Give me some.
What's up with it? It hurts. Shut the front door.
Hey. So I finished. Lizette is drinking Gatorade now. Still trying to finish. Jaden took like 5 bites and he was done.
I don't think so. I think I drank too much Gatorade. I'm gonna throw up.
It is burning.
I'm gonna go give some to Grandma. See what he says.
Well, look at my lips.
But again, you know, I'm the champ, like always. They just can't beat me.
I let him win because I don't want my stomach to hurt.
Oh, my stomach gonna hurt.
It burned. My lip burned.
Anyways, so your boy won again. Your boy won again. Jaden
took like 3 bites.
Jaden only took like, I would say like 5 bites. Cause he took 3 bites and then he quit. And I'm like,
oh
dude.
yeah, he took 2 more.
I'm like, dude, come on, at least half. And he's like, all right. And he tried, but he failed again. So.
It hurts to talk.
Yeah, that's why I keep drinking Gatorade.
Me too.
It keeps coming back.
I have it on my lips all undone.
I think I'm crying too.
I think my lips got bigger.
Anyways, yeah.
What are you eating, champ?
I just finished the little rice pudding. I feel like throwing up now.
Did it help?
No, well, it helped, but
Your stomach hurts?
no, I feel like I'm throwing up.
Jaden had some too. I think that's gonna be it for the video because
be it.
we feel sick.
We don't want to puke on camera, even though that'd probably be funny, but.
For you to get content.
That's true. That's very true.
But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, because it's pretty much the same.
Same thing.
But except with this fool, he challenged us and he lost. He was the first one to tap out, but
Because you
I
know,
understand.
it's easy to watch and think it's not spicy, but it is
Yeah.
spicy.
Oh, this one was extra spicy, like compared to the one we did
Yep.
back in, I don't know when it was, like January or something.
I don't remember, but it was a while.
This one was spicier for
Yeah.
sure. She couldn't even finish it.
No, I can, but my stomach hurts.
I finished it, but
Anywho, if
was
anyone else wants to challenge us,
It was 5 months.
or challenge us,
let
in
us know.
challenge us in anything else, please.
Comment down.
Yeah, maybe not this for a
Yeah.
while because my stomach.
Maybe shots.
I can't do that.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. No, not shots.
Shots of juice. We didn't say
That's
what.
what's up.
That's what's up.
Anywho, thank you guys so much
Anyway.
for watching.
Yep.
Like, share, subscribe, comment.
Look what I even.
And like you said, if you guys want challenges to anything else, let us know.
All right.
And that's up.
Suzette signing off, and Jaden is signing off. So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Stay safe.
Leave.